on the spot. Let's kick the legs. A bit more serious now, it's more intense. Heel flicks. Bring the arms in. Now if you've got an injury, please adapt. You bring it to a march on the spot if you need to. Like so, anytime you want to. Okay, we're going to start running on the spot for 30 seconds. We start at 15 seconds. Now you run as fast or as slow as you want to. But challenge yourself. 5 seconds. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! 30 seconds. And then we rest. That's halfway. Move the legs fast. Include your arms. Last 10 seconds. Three seconds and rest. Well done. March it out. Okay, the next one is flicking the heels. Okay, you start at 5 seconds. Now you can go low or stay high. 3, 2, 1, go. Now I'm going to include the arms. Bring the arms in. Up. 30 seconds. Come on, that's halfway. If I have to do this, you have to do it. Last 5 seconds. And rest. March it out. Well done. I'm going to do 30 seconds of combination punching. You may have seen my other boxing video. It's air boxing, as long as your hands are moving. And go. Jab. Uppercut. Lead. Bring it back. Hook. Bobbing and weaving. Ducking and diving. Bobbing and weaving. Halfway. Come on, keep the hands moving fast. Shuffle those feet. Bang, bang, bang. Come on. You can do better. Come on. 5 seconds. And march it out. Well done. Okay, the next one, rotation of the hips, like this. Stay upright. Okay, we'll move forward and backwards. Ready? Join me, let's go. Okay, touch the ankle. You're rotating the hip. Great for hip mobility. You keep moving. And stay with it. 15 seconds left. If you can speed it up, do. Three seconds. And march. Well done. Remember, on this 15 seconds, you can be jogging on the spot. If you want to bring the intensity up, do. Okay, we're going to run forwards and run backwards. Simple. 2 or 3 steps forward, go, and back, go. So you're working a bit more on agility. You only need 2 meters, but move fast, come on. Don't break anything. Halfway. Stay with it. Remember, you can be walking forwards and back if you want to. Last 5 seconds. Fast, fast, come on. The furniture and rest. March it out. Well done. We'll do the same thing with this side. It's a lateral movement. Okay? You're going to go to there and to here. Okay? 3, 2, 1, and go. 30 seconds. Shuffle those feet. You might be doing simple side steps. It's up to you, halfway. gotta forgive me, I'm a bit slow. It's the old age. 5 seconds. And march. Woo. Right, we're gonna add in a little bit of squatting. You're gonna squat here and reach up. Squat. So it's a squat and then heel flip. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. If you've got a problem with your knees, go up. Don't go too deep, stay here. 10 seconds, otherwise go low. 5 seconds left. Be happy and march it out. Well done. 15 seconds rest, 15 seconds for me to figure out what's coming next. Okay, we've got the famous windmill. Okay, that's what we're doing. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Way behind, low. Now you can hold a football or a medicine ball for this, but you gotta move. Move. Move fast. Halfway. Big full range of movement. Come on. Stay with me. It's only 10 minutes of fun. Last 5. And march. Woo. Okay, march it out. We're going to go back to running on the spot. This is where you choose to go high or low. Let's start. 3, 2, 1, go. Right, we're going narrow. Starting off, 10 seconds. Let's change, go wide. 5 seconds. Narrow. Let's go wide again. Lift your knees higher if you want to. Narrow. Okay, and rest. Shake the legs out. Roll your shoulders back. Okay, we're going to mix it all up. Okay? Organized chaos. Try and follow me. I'll try and give you advance warning. We're going forward for 2. Let's go. Back for 2. Forward for 2. That's it. Okay, we're going sideways. Reaction work. Forward. Back. Sideways. 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 Forward. Backwards. Forward. And back. Sideways again. Over this side. Come on, arms up. Forward. Bring it back and walk it out. Well done. Do it great. A bit more boxing now. Giving the legs a bit of a rest. Now if you can jog on the spot while boxing, you're better than me. Let's give it a go. Piston. Arms are like pistons. Mean lean fitness machine. Not me. A kind lean fitness machine. Halfway. Oh, rest of the head movement. What's he on? And march it out. Well done. Okay. This time, we're going to be a lot sophisticated. We're going to go to 45 degrees that way, back and 45 degrees that way. Hopefully I don't lose my head here. Let's go. Stay here, shuffle back, shuffle forward, shuffle back. Okay, let's go. Keep going. Back, bring it back, forward, 45 degrees. 45 degrees. We're working in a 2 meter space. Stay with us. You can bring your arms in too, do so. 45 seconds. 45 degrees. Last 10 seconds. Nearly there. Last 5. And march it out. Okay. We've got one more. One more 30 seconds, then we cool down. Are you with me? Yeah? Right, jog on the spot. Bring your knees high. Stay with it. It's only 30 seconds. Last 15. You work as hard as you can. 10 seconds. He starts growling. Last 5. And march. Woo! Feeling my age. March it out. Allow your heart rate to come down. Big breathing. Breathe in through your nose and out through your ears. Alright. I've got loads of jokes. They're really bad. Big breathing in through your nose. Out through your mouth. And again. Well done, well done. Bring it to a halt. You're going to have a stretch on the quadriceps. You can stretch for longer if you want to. Let's do the other side. Stretching the quads. Notice your body. You should feel better. If you make your goal through exercise to feel better, you'll do it for longer. Slide your foot forward, stretch the hamstrings. Weight loss should be a sideshow. Focus on the program, on the process, enjoying it, how you feel, stretching the hamstring. Let's stretch the calves, arms behind to stretch the chest. Let's do the other side. Well done, fantastic. Have a great day.